This is United O2 Boys Premier versus Hoover Phantoms Blue. First half.
Come on, Bobby, let's go. Carry. Carry. Now we win. Let's go. Keep it. Put him under, David. Right away. Right away. Must win. Must win. Thank you. Let's go. Step together. Together. Why are we not stepping, David? David. Ryder. David, when I say step, listen to me, okay? Hmm? Take the free kick, ref. Take the free kick. Let's push the light. Ryder. Go. Hey, drop off a little, Sean. Ryan, that's horror show. We'll play it. We'll take the kick. Nothing, huh? Ryan. Now we win. Put this ball in there.
Get it.
Pressure needless like that. Step, Brooke, step. Get across, Ryan. Get left. Yeah, be better. Well done, Brooks. Santiago! Play with more intensity.
No, you want to curve it light. Relax, watch the game.
Make him go back. Come on! No turn. Well done, Eager. Well done.
Alex Rayner, see the game. See the game and your man. Open your hips. Win.
Anthony diving in.
Get it in. Try.
Sarah, you gotta stay on your feet. Santiago, that came from you. Too easy. Come, switch with Brian. Brian, get up top. Come, get in the box. Atlanta. Follow your runners, Ryder. Stay with the man.
Relax.
Get it away, Anthony. Anthony.
Nice.
Anthony, just get it away. Anthony, he cannot get that far ahead of you in midfield. Let's go, David.
Pinch in, Ian. Now we win. That's fine. Well done, yeah.
Eager.
Hey, Rayner, all that work.
Come on, Come on, Come on, Come on.
Hey, Sean, quit.
Get there, Ryan. You got time. Ryan, look on your shoulder. Dylan, you don't need to go there. Ryan's good. Dylan, go.
Why does he have time?
Look at Dylan.
Dad, drop. He, that's coming all day.
Ooh, Rayner.
Stealing!
Nice.
Dylan, you got to hit that from the box.
Hey, get your shape in, Jack. Get your shape.
Eager, drop.
Hold it. That's not... David, hold the ball, please. On your chest, huh? Alex, open your hips and see the field.
Let's go, Kume. Come on, Kume. Brooks, go.
Alex, this is not
Steely.
in the field.
You got to take that shot. I don't care if you miss it.
You can go, Ryan. Just hang on the edge.
Kevin, stay balanced. I have no center back. Pull somebody over. Sean, you're too far. Pull him in.
Steely, stay wide. Steely. Get back, Ryan.
Stay balanced, hey Zalo, stay balanced. Zalo, pull up. Either you or Jack, slide over. Other way! Early!
Dylan, come on! Dylan, come on! Let's go, guys! Let's go, John!
Get it in, get it in.
Come on, boys! Move!
Let's go, guys! Brian, make a run! Brian! Keep going, Bobby!
Turn!
Dylan has to panic.
Turn!
You got time, you got time.
Dylan, help. Brian, drop into the gap. Well done, Brooks. Brian, shoot for it! Brian!
Pinch in with Kevin, even with Kevin, and pinch in. There you go, good.
Midfield, who's got her? Eager! Where are you going? Eager, pick a man. Steely, let's go. Come on, come on.
EA, now you drop. Come on.
Get up! Seth Ryder! Guys, come on! Ryder!
Fine, up you go.
Talk to them! Well done, darling.
Let's go, at pace,
Get back, Ryan, sprint. Just leave him. Leave him and get inside the Ryder.
Ooh!
Hey, good, Anthony! You have to be urgent, David! Quick! Quick!
Walking back! Anthony, stay back if you can't get back. Eager, if you can't get back, stay here.
David! David! Boom, boom, quick, okay? Be quicker. Too slow against these guys. Go on, Jack!
Check two. Ryan, go.
Relax,
Ryan,
relax,
go.
relax, relax! Not bad ball, Alex. Not a bad ball, Alex.
Starting. Let them get out.
Hey, watch play.
Now you can go. Now you can go.
First
Let's
ball,
get out,
second ball,
Ryder.
second ball.
Ryder.
Go, come in. Good tackle, Sean.
Take him dangle. Take, drop off, Alex. Drop off, Alex. Oh, Alex.
Oh!
Get up. Listen, get up. Seth, get up. Ryder, sort that out.
Turn. Hey, Mateo. Early. Other side.
Brian, Brian.
Oh, darn it. Get it back.
Come left.
Yeah, good job, Kevin.
Come on, Parker. That's lazy, bud.
Brilliant, Seth. Unlucky. Get up in the air, Eager. You're in, Brian.
Get it!
Don't stop.
Oh, jeez. What is up with this?
Ah, for goodness sake.
Hey, Sean, Kevin, why are we flat?
Come back. Just come back.
Sean, Kevin, number 12. Why does he have 5 yards of space? Mark his
Well done,
back.
Santiago. Better.
My God, it should be like 3-3.
If they could just finish, right?
It's like 10 minutes in, it should be 6-4.
Eager, from the kickoff, you've got to be a little deeper. That doesn't need to clear you. Seth, tight! Seth! Stop watching the ball and get tight, Seth.
All the way, Alex.
Get out, Dylan, get out. Midfield, Brian! Let's go, nice and quick, Ryan, nice and quick. Anthony, Alex first. You got time, Ryder, take some time. Look at Eager, look at Eager.
Would not say.
Not a bad effort. First time, Eager, first time. Wrong way, Eager, Dylan's free.
David, get in the game, let's go.
Brian, come looking, Brian.
Hey, pass him on, Kev.
Good. Get up, Brian, get up, get up. Kume, just stay middle. Kume. Anthony, hang on the edge. Anthony, get out of there. Out of there. Get right on the edge of the box, Anthony. Keep it in, Dylan. That's you, Ryan. Anthony, you're free. Seth, get there. Seth, get there.
Early.
Well done. Well done, Anthony. Well done. Step, Anthony. Step. Keep her. Keep her.
Come on, wait for the ball. E, good idea, though.
Finn, just pick it up.
No turn, Alex. Wait, Alex, he needs to play in.
Not play. Let it ride. Let it ride. Let it ride. It's like, let's go around.
Draw up, Alex. Maddie, you know
Seth, who have you got?
you know, you need
Ryan, just give yourself 1 yard. Who's got 20? Brian! Off you go, Ryan. Off you go. Step back. Leave it to Dylan. Dylan, go take it.
Go side, Ryan, go side.
Ryan, get away. Ryder, help him. Ryder, help him.
That's what happens to you.
That's our ball. That's our ball. That's the blue ball. Ryan, go get it. Ryan.
Sub.
Just go get the ball and throw it. He was going to give it to you.
Go side, side.
JC on the side. Come on, Matthew.
Give yourself a yard, Ryan. He's not going to beat you in there.
Tight, tight, tight.
Eager, tight.
Win that.
Let it go. That's fine. That's fine. That's you, Ryan. Nice and sharp, Ryan. Nice and sharp. Dylan, you give that up. Dylan! Don't give it up.
Title 20!
We'll take it. We'll take it. Let's go, white ball. Let's go. Put it down and play.
No, ref, how'd you call that? They're both doing it. They're both doing it.
Oh.
Why go?
My guys, go, go, go.
Let's go, attack.
Go, go.
Get there. Go to it. Go to it, Ryan. Ryan, go to the ball. Ryan, go to the ball.
No, that's not going to beat him. Come on.
Ryan, it's going to be no good.
Park, you're facing the other way. That's not going to be a shot. That's going to beat that keeper.
Doesn't matter.
Be patient there. Relax, okay? Be patient. Jackson, drop off. Just pull Parker back there.
Seth, get out. Seth, get out. Get out. Get out.
Ooh.
Anthony, you
Nice.
can't get back! Get back, Anthony!
Man, we're not being dangerous. We're picking the least dangerous option. Come on.
Anthony! Not in there! That's a learn. Just learn from that.
Hey, Zalo, press on, commit him before you play that ball. Okay? He might delay all the way into the 6. You can place it in the net.
Seth, as soon as it hits, get out. Seth, as soon as he hits it, get out. Now get out. Get out, Ryan!
Come on, Pucker!
Brian, come on, Brian. Put some effort in, please. Brian!
Nice job, Gonzalo.
Don't get beat, Eager. That's good. Better. Dylan, just drop and recover. Just drop. Well done, Eager. Just don't get beat. Dylan, just go help him. Dylan, go help him. Dylan, go help him. There you go. Well done, Eager. That's it. Get out, Seth. Ryan, get out. Get out. Get out, Ryan.
Other way, open your head.
Step two, Dylan. Step two.
Good talk,
Pressure,
away.
pressure.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Dylan, go. Gonzalo. Brian, you have to be there.
Nice, nice.
That's okay, Jason. Well done. Take a chance.
Get it, JC.
Stay late. Be tougher with the ball. Get
Come on,
there,
Jake.
Dylan. Get there, Dylan.
No turn. No turn. Teo, take the angle.
Go, Brooks. Go, Brooks. Guys, we're not keeping the ball at all well. Brian. No turn. Eager shouldn't get the turn. Let's go, Jay. Anthony, help Eager. Anthony, get there. Get there.
Yeah, you can't go through, Jack.
Nice, Seth.
Hey, both of you stop!
Ref, how about the free kick, ref? Offside. Offside. What? Hey, linesman. Linesman. Hey, ref. Ref, that's about 5 yards offside. He's not even watching.
Call your ref.
David!
Jackson!
David! Ian, go to the left!
Guys, nothing wrong with that.
It's
You
now
pushed that well.
1-0.
Nothing wrong with that.
You're midfield.
Pecker?
Yeah, I'm midfield, yeah.
Let's go, Hoover!
Eager,
Let's get it back!
why are you diving in up there? If you can't get to the ball first, drop off.
Let's go, guys!
Let this go.
Play against the ref.
Get Brian, go left, push your brother inside.
Set, set. Win that, win that!
Mesa, press forward there. That's
Take it out, take it out. No, where are you going?
Get it in.
Carry, carry, carry!
Now we win, JC. Safe.
Come on, JC.
Let it go, let it go. Quickly, Ryan, quickly.
Step out,
Mesa,
step out!
Let's go, Ryan, quickly!
Brian! Let's go, come on.
Okay, that's okay.
Quickly, let's go!
Nice, Ian. You can do it, Ian.
Clear, stop!
Nice.
No, that is, how can that not be anything other than a blue through? How can that be anything other than a blue through?
I think it is.
Coach,
Ryan, get the
I need
ball.
some water in a sec.
Okay. Zach, just go there.
Come on!
Drop off.
Guys, you're all standing still.
Now we go. So.
Hey, guys, you're being outplayed. You're not working hard enough. Come on, Anthony, Eager, Dylan.
Hey, who's going up? Who's got 25?
Brooks, why are you standing there, Brooks?
Parker,
Push
Parker.
Brooks, go up.
Matthew, step
And
up.
go pick that guy.
That's good
Come on,
work,
run it,
Gonzalo.
run it more!
Good work, Gonzalo.
Stay with it,
Up
stay
you go.
with it.
All right, relax.
Zach, leave it. I got it.
Let's go!
Here we go.
Hey.
Team!
Dylan, get in the box. Quick, let's go.
Hey, make the keeper make a decision. Come on, runners. Not a bad ball, JC.
Get it back.
No counter! Touch back!
Come on, guys, don't give up. Get back in it.
Parker, movement.
Nice.
Get in.
Oh,
Parker, put the ball on the ground. Everything's to the keeper's chest, bud. The one's on the ground, the one's in the corner.
Let's get out, guys. Ryan, Seth, why are we standing so still?
JC, drop back, sprint him back immediately. Immediately, even with your center back. Come on, Kev, step it, Tad. Sean, eat. Look at your center back, Sean. Step. Relax.
Finn!
Relax, Park. Relax,
Just
Park.
pick it up, just pick it up. Look at Ryan.
Parker, drop off, get shape.
Get wide. Dylan. Play Dylan. Just give it, feet. And
Put him
go
under.
go
No,
help
first
him,
time,
Ryan.
on his
Go help
touch.
him.
Good, time.
Steely.
Oi, time.
Drop it, Ryan. Just drop it. Referee, no. Ref, there's two teams playing here.
That's a corner, let's go.
Go get it, Finn. That's your ball, Finn.
That's a corner, it's off his knee, thank you. That's an easy.
Anthony, come on one.
JC in the box, Zach, where JC is, Zach. Take your time.
Get out. Later.
Good try, Zach.
Comey, just don't drop. Just stay high, Comey. Comey, get on number 8. Just go. Just stay as high as he is. Ryan, get out, Ryan!
Mesa, less, please, less.
ooh, nice. This is nice.
Drop off.
Get out, Seth! Ryan, get out! Out! Get up, Dylan!
Mateo to attacking mid, okay? Mateo goes attacking mid, you play holding mid, so Gonzalo comes off. Offside.
Anthony, go hit it! Anthony!
Not offside there.
Brooks, you can go if you want. There's only one man up. You can go if you want. Take it, that means you don't want to.
Hey, check behind you, Zolo.
side. Come on. Good, Matthew.
Run.
Help him, Anthony! Help him! There you go.
JC, in the pinch in, JC.
Good call.
JC, oh, drop off, JC, even with your center backs, buddy. Handball. No handball.
That's our ball. Let's go, Brooks! Go, Brooks! Brooks! Eager! Dylan!
Eager! Hey, Zalo!
Quickly, let's go!
Oh, just, never mind. Stay.
USSF rules.
Tired? What's wrong? Water. Get the shit. Brooks!
Come on, Zach, up the field, Zach.
Brooks, you're walking! Brooks, sprint!
Don't lose it.
Like an eye, Brooks and Sam! Come on! Use your keeper, use your keeper!
Come on, Zach.
Come on, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, Zach!
Just drop it back to him!
Good, Zach.
Guys, the basic soccer things you're doing, it's just panic.
Zalo.
Right, simple ball, you're just giving away all the, come on, compose yourself.
Hey, Mateo, go up to
Logan, push on that man here. Leave him to Ryan. You've got the thrower, you've got the thrower. JT, right shoulder. JT.
Mesa.
JT, you get with him, JT. You're just on the pitch, JT. How can he be 2 yards ahead of you?
There. Good. Nice.
Stay with it, Logan. Stay with it. JT, don't chase the ball. JT, you've got a man that you've got to stay with. Okay, if he gets there, he just drops it into your man. Never end.
See it out, Zach. See it out.
Come on, move.
Retake.
Anthony, make the run. Comey, get closer to this side. Comey! Strip back to him.
Win.
Now we win.
Clear it, Seth. Clear it. Out of the air, right of the air.
Second ball. Come on, Mateo. All right, idea.
Out of the air, Anthony.
All right, that can't go over our head.
Brooks, you're just kicking it away.
Get it, Zach! Go, Zach!
Good, Kev.
Time. Good, Logan. Santiago, too much. Just cover inside, Ryan. Go to the ball.
Go run.
Keeper. Ryan, get wide.
Come on, guys.
Guys, we're giving up the middle. Yeah. Let's get out, Ryan. Come on. Seth, left! Seth!
That's you need to be there,
Get there,
Alex.
Ryan. Get there, Ryan.
Drop it, come on,
Time,
Alex
time.
Mason. All right, good decision. That was fine. Just take him in. Relax, relax, relax.
Come on!
Go!
Come on, guys! Coach! Mark, Mark! Good job, Seth.
Hold on.
Hey, Ty, go slide in, Seth!
Sit. Cool, mate. Just stay up. Stay up!
Guys, win it.
Alex. There we go.
Help him, Seth. Seth! Well done, Brooks. Well done, Brooks.
Wait a few years till you're in high school.
Kume, switch with Anthony. Anthony, switch with Kume. Hurry up. Logan, Ryan. Kume, front post. Kume. Kume.
Jack, drop off the line a little.
Nothing beats you, Kume.
Parker!
Ryan, drop.
Get it in, get it in. Oh.
Crash the goal!
Finn, give them time. Give them time.
Perfect ball.
There now, guys.
Let's get it done and play it. Francisco, get it done and play. Juliet, just move on. Just move on. Move on, Francisco.
Win it, guys.
JT, you're walking. You're walking, JT.
Send it.
Look at Logan.
Mateo,
Logan,
tough it
you
out
got
for me,
time.
okay?
Turn and go. Turn and go. Turn and go. Speed. Now look for your options.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
It's all right. It's all right.
Mateo, tough it out 2 minutes, okay?
Look up. Look at Anthony. Look at Anthony. Look at Anthony.
Hey, Park, just
Why
get
am I
goal side
telling
of him.
you that?
Parker, goal side of him. Goal side. Let's relax. Just force him one way. Now we win. Just kick it
That
out.
ball away.
Okay,
Ryan.
go, go, go.
Seth, go.
Yes, beautiful.
Help him. Ryan, if he calls you out, you better go out.
Put him in, one touch!
Keeper!
Zach!
Finn!
Go, go, go.
That's
Oh.
your idea, Zach, well done!
Ryan!
Good job, United.
Seth! Seth!
Must wins, Alex.
Logan.
done, buddy.
Logan.
Go, Zach. Go, Zach.
Time.
No turn. No turn.
Just playing long ball, Ryan. That's all you're doing. You're just playing long ball.
What?
Win it, Alex.
Pressure, Logan. No turn. Go.
Come on, Parker.
Come on, guys. Get it.
Well done. Well done.
Relax, Kyle.
Out of the air, Ryan. Get
Nice,
there, Ryan.
Zach.
Get
Go,
there.
go,
Come
go.
on,
You gotta
Ryan.
go, 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 go.
You get all sorts of time.
You got to make play one way, Zach. Make
Play
one way.
Santiago. And again.
Must win, Zach. Must win, Alex.
Yes, well done, Logan. Get up, Ryan. Get up. Just use it, Logan. Go use it. Ryan, be an option for him.
Come on, Alex. No turn. Why is he turning? Come on, Alex.
Step two, Seth.
Come on.
Brooks, come across. Brooks, get across.
Come on
Come on,
up.
guys.
Well done, JT. That's better.
Other side, big one,
Logan, get to him.
Yeah.
Logan, you got to get there. JT sprint! JT sprint! JT, why are you walking back?
Let's get harder!
1-0 at the half.